Job sector in Canada. The Canadian job market is characterized by several key features that make it attractive for both domestic and international job seekers. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, here's an overview of the Canada job market. Strong and stable economy. Canada has a robust and stable economy, making it an ideal place for job seekers. The country has a well-diversified economy that includes industries such as manufacturing, natural resources, technology, and services. This diversification has helped Canada weather economic downturns better than many other countries. Low unemployment rate. Canada has historically maintained a relatively low unemployment rate compared to other developed nations. A low unemployment rate typically implies a higher demand for labor, making it more feasible for job seekers to find opportunities. Growth in the tech sector. Canada has seen significant growth in its technology sector, especially in cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. The government has been investing in technology and innovation, leading to an increased demand for tech-related jobs. Skilled worker immigration programs. Canada has several immigration programs designed to attract skilled workers from around the world. The Express Entry System, Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs, and the Atlantic Immigration Pilot are some of the avenues for foreign workers to obtain permanent residency and find employment in Canada. Strong education system. Canada's education system is highly regarded worldwide. Canadian universities and colleges produce a well-educated workforce, making the country a desirable destination for employers seeking skilled employees. Labor shortages. Certain provinces and territories in Canada have been experiencing labor shortages in specific industries, such as healthcare, IT, and skilled trades. This has created opportunities for job seekers in these sectors. Diversity and inclusivity. Canada is known for its diverse and inclusive society. Employment opportunities are available to individuals from various cultural backgrounds, and the country's anti-discrimination policies promote equal opportunities for all. Labor laws and workers' rights. Canada has strong labor laws and regulations that protect workers' rights, including minimum wage, working hours, and health and safety standards. This ensures a safe and fair working environment for employees. Remote work opportunities. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work in Canada. Many companies and employees have embraced flexible work arrangements, opening up job opportunities for remote work across the country. Government support during pandemic. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Canadian government implemented various support programs to assist workers and businesses, such as the Canada Emergency Response Benefit, CERB, and the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy, CEWS. It's essential to note that the job market can vary significantly by region and industry. Some provinces and cities may offer more favorable job prospects depending on the specific sector you are interested in. Additionally, labor market conditions can change over time, so it's important to stay updated on the latest developments and job market trends in Canada, especially if you are considering a move or job search in the country.